This is the state of my oven, and I found this really good product on Amazon I want to share with you. So if you can tell, I had a little bit from my previous purchase, and I use it for the bottom part of the oven. So if you can see, this side is cleaner, and if you can tell from this line that I just cleaned the bottom part, and that should tell you how good this product is. See how this part is? This was how this whole part was. Yes, I know. I took too long in cleaning. It was really dirty. So I left the sides, got another bottle, and just to show you how good this product is. So if you're looking for something to clean your oven, you can just buy that for your oven. So let me just show you how I go about it. It's a really easy process, no hard work. So you see as I go. So this is the state of my oven tray and the sides of the oven. I'm going to clean all of it today. So this is what you need. This is just a simple brush for basting the gel and the grease. Okay, yeah, it's your bag. Sorry guys, my daughter let me do. So this is just a brush that we use in basting the product, and this is just a fiber cloth to help me clean the oven after. On the bottle it says you're supposed to, yes Kylie, Mama is cleaning the oven and making a video. So on the bottle it says you're supposed to leave it on for 3 hours and then wash it off with warm water. But because of how dirty my oven is, I'm going to leave it on for more than 3 hours. So I'm pretty sure I just go in once with the warm water and it's all gone. So let's get into it.
Papa, it's a tally bag.
Yeah. I don't know if you can see, but as I am applying it on the greasy part, it's already bringing out the grease. Look, the color is changing. I don't know if you can tell. You can even see from the brush. I'm telling you, this thing does wonders to dirty ovens. It's a really great product. No hassle. You just put the product on, put it on. But please be generous with the amount you put on if your oven is really dirty like mine, so it can all go in just one wash. So this is the cling film. So this is the part you have to be sure you cover it. And please make sure every part of it, of the oven that has the cleaner, is covered in foil. Okay, so yes, so this is what the oven looks like. So I'm going to clean these as well. These are on the sides in the oven. In order not to waste cling film, I'm going to just put it on top of the tray. That already has film on the top. So it says there's a film on the bottom of this one. I'm making sure the brush goes in between and the products, get there, because this won't be difficult to wash. I'll just run it under the tap. It's already coming off the grease. So ladies and gentlemen, it's a wrap. I'm done spreading the product, or like I like to say, basting the product on the greasy part. So this is inside the oven. So this is just to give you an update on what it looks like. So it's been about 1 hour and 30 minutes, and you can see that the grease is almost all off, but I want to leave it on for a few more hours. And the part that didn't really get enough of the grease still feels a bit hard, but that's not a problem. I'm going to use a scourer to scrub it off. So I'll leave it for a few more hours and then so it makes it. I'll leave for a few more hours so it makes it easy for me to clean because I don't want to strap. So just to make my work easy. Yeah, so I'll update you. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is what it looks like 4 hours later. Most of it has come off, has melted, the grease has melted. Now look at the bottom part that remained from the previous clean. Is also dissolved. So I think so far so good, but I'm still going to leave it on for a bit because I can see in the corner it doesn't really look good, or I probably didn't put enough I didn't spread enough of the chemical on there. So ladies and gentlemen, it's the moment of truth. So this is what it looks like. Everything seems to be removed. Every tap of grease seems to be removed. So I'm going to wash it soon, but I'm going to start with the reel and the tray.
La la